up, guys? So today we're checking out the new Animal Company update.
Oh yeah, and don't ask why there's a painting like this right here.
Yo. Oh.
Eat my child! Eat! Oh, hang on.
Yo, what's happening?
My giant
come on.
fork isn't working. Eat my child! Okay, now follow me.
Yo! You
Oh.
just...
Be careful. This is what happens.
Can I just go up here?
It's shooting. Where'd you
Yo,
go?
I'm over here. You should have got
Over
a
where?
hook. You should have got a hook shot.
True. Okay, now it's... Oh! My giant fork. Hey! My God. Oh my God, I'm taking so much damage.
When is it gonna stop?
Giant fork. I just did.
Okay.
Giant fork, go in action.
You really should have got a hook shot. They're so OP.
I died.
Oh crap! Where's your body?
It's near the.
Oh no, your fork! Yo! Oh, I just died. Yeah, next time take a hook shot. Don't go in yet. Don't go in.
Just respawn, just respawn. Oh yeah, you end up back here and look, you can buy
Wait,
items.
where's my? Oh, we're good. We're good. Yeah, thank you. I need 2 hook shots, please. Oh. Hold up, I'm gonna put this on my back.
It's a sword. Okay, now follow me.
Hold up. Can I get another hook shot or no?
I died already.
Oh.
Oh, you're good. Did you die?
No, I'm alive.
Oh.
I'm just floating up here. Dude, you get a hook shot.
No, I'm ready to kill him.
Alright, get a hook shot, dude. Okay,
No, I had a hook shot. I had a hook shot.
just like climb up to the top so you don't get killed.
Okay, I'm going on the other side.
Dude.
Oh.
Oh.
Are you up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where are you?
Go right here. I'm right on top of you. Look, I'm right now.
Right here.
Oh.
Come in here. Come in here.
There's more stairs.
There's more stuff. We see.
No, you're gonna die! Okay. My VR's at 2%. So come quickly. Crit! When my VR dies, keep on trying to explore. If it gets too creepy, you can just leave. Okay, now follow me. Okay, now come over. No, don't go in there. Don't go in there.
Hold up, can I FaceTime you later?
It might not work, but sure.
Remember, you only need Wi-Fi.
I might not, but hang on. There's another one of those minigun things. There's another right here. Oh! Are you back? Right here. Come in quick! Okay, they can't come in here. Don't worry. There's another one right here.
I can't make it.
Okay, try to get through. Oh my gosh! Oh, crate! Pinata. Bomb.
Alright guys, his VR just died. Oh crap. Where do I go? exit? do I get out of here? Ow. Hello, is anybody in my lobby? Guys, this will be the end of the video. I'm sorry.